Right then, he's waiting outside in the cold. I better call him in now. Josh? Yeah, by the way, his name is Josh.
Did you not say that?
Hey guys, hope you're all well and welcome to another video. So it's that time of year where we bring a new learner and you guys get to follow their journey up until the day of their driving test. Those of you that are regular viewers know that I do this every year. The last learner driver was Rajan, my nephew, who passed, it's been a few months now, since he passed his driving test. And guess what? This new learner is another nephew. He's actually Brandon's brother. For those of you that remember Brandon, we also did his driving lesson journey before Rajan's, and yeah, this is his younger brother. We've just been waiting for his provisional to come through, which it has, and he just turned 17 a few days ago. Before I ask him to come into the car, he's actually waiting outside. I just need a bit of help from you guys, so if you guys could drop a comment with your suggestions. So normally these driving lesson videos that I film, I don't normally crop anything out, so I just like leave all the footage in here so you guys can watch and learn from it. But I'm thinking of just cutting the video, so the lessons will only be around an hour long. Rather than having the videos an hour long, I'm thinking about shortening them to about 30 to 40 minutes. What do you guys think? Do you guys want the full video just left how it normally is, or shall I shorten it so it's a bit more watchable? So yeah, I will be doing a poll on it as well, but please drop your comments. Right then, he's waiting outside in the cold. I better call him in now. Josh? Yeah, by the way, his name is Josh.
Did you not say that?
Yeah. How are you?
I'm
gonna
good.
say hello to everyone.
Hello everyone.
You wanna introduce yourself?
Hi, I'm Josh, Brandon's brother, if he hasn't told you already. And I'm going to be Pin's newest victim for driving. Victim, yeah. I'm going to become a victim.
So Josh, tell everyone a bit about yourself. You just turned 17. It's only
August
been a few
9th,
days.
yeah. A couple of days, like 5 days.
Okay.
So I'm currently studying health and social, sport and ICT at sixth form. Going into my last year now, year 13. Not looking forward to it because, I don't know what I want to do yet. I might get an apprenticeship somewhere down the line, like NHS maybe, work with children. I don't know yet.
That's good.
But other than that, that's me really.
So how would you compare yourself to Brandon? Right, for those of you who haven't seen, don't know Brandon, didn't watch the videos. He's quite a character. He was really chatty and quite funny as well, just naturally, without trying to be funny. Yeah. How do you think you compare to him?
Well, funny, probably a lot more funny. Other than that, probably worse.
What, worse than driving?
Well, I don't know how long it took him to drive, but probably take me.
Yeah, it did take him a few more lessons than I thought it would. Yeah. So, have you ever tried to drive before or done anything?
Nope.
Have you watched my videos before?
I watched Brandon because he used to tell me about it and I used to take the mick out of him, but no, he's probably going to watch these and he's going to laugh at me every time I go back now, so there's that.
Okay, so guys, we're going to start our lesson, not today, this is just an intro video. We're going to do our lessons from next week. And so we've got, like I said, you got about a week. And guys, so before I ask these guys and go through what happens on the first lesson, do you know what happens on the first lesson?
No.
Nothing at all?
Nope.
Okay, so normally on the first lesson, the instructor explains everything about the controls, the cockpit drill, and some instructors do take a lot longer than needed. It is information, vital information that you do need to know, but it's a lot of information taken on the first lesson. And I remember I used to be the same. I used to spend a good half an hour, 40 minutes explaining everything, because that's how we were taught when we trained to be instructors, that you have to explain everything. Then I just found it was too much for the learners to remember, so I started cutting everything a bit shorter and then just adding it onto the next lesson, just keeping it simple. Because on your first lesson, what do you expect?
Not good. I don't think anyone's ever had a good first lesson.
I'm not saying not in terms of good and bad in your driving. What do you expect to be doing on your first lesson?
Learning to start the car, driving it a little bit. And that's about it. Nothing too complicated, you know what I mean? Nothing to do with the gears or anything like that.
And you expect to drive it, And I've had some pupils telling me that on the first lesson they didn't get to drive the car.
Is it?
Nah. Yeah, that was one of the reasons why I created my course. Do you know what my course is called?
Ultimate Driving Course.
Yeah, I was going to say you bet.
Yeah, you told me about it in 2020 when I first found out about your channel.
Who I did?
Yeah, you was at my house and then you said, do you know I have a driving channel? And I went, no. And I looked and I was like,
I don't even remember that conversation.
You don't remember?
Was it telling you or Brandon? Or...
you was telling me it was someone's party at mine.
Okay, cool.
And tell me about it.
Right, so yeah, obviously I'm going to give you access to that. Your job is going to be to watch the first few videos on the cockpit roll controls, moving off and stopping. Yeah.
Yeah.
Not just watch them. Actually, you got to, like I said, you got a week. Yeah, that's going to save us a lot of time on your first lesson. If you don't, then I'll have to get out my books, explain all that, and we'll be parked up for.
Yeah.
Well, at least do you want that?
No, I want to drive.
Exactly. Yeah, and that's what the whole point of the course is. You got the videos there. You're gonna watch them. You're gonna know everything before you get in the car. Then we can start with the practical part. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Any questions?
That's it, really.
Right. So Josh's job, yeah, for this video is going to be to reply on any questions he gets. Yeah. So if you want to ask him any questions, drop them in the comments, and he will reply to every single one. Won't you, Josh?
What happens if you get like 1,000?
Your
Okay.
school holidays, isn't it, at the moment?
Yeah, that's
Yeah. Okay. Right. So yeah, that's it really. Any questions?
fine. No, I'm going to be answering all you viewers' questions, aren't I?
That's it. Yeah. So any message to any of the viewers or?
Right, so I'm probably going to be terrible, but you know, it's going to be fun watching me until the very end. That's what I got to say.
Just make sure you guys support him. Like we know lessons, nobody has a perfect lesson. Yeah, until they're almost ready for the test. So when he does anything that's not too good, make sure you guys be nice in the comments. They normally are. Yeah. Okay, our viewers are normally awesome, yeah. And to stay up to date with these lessons, so you get notified, we're going to be uploading them every week. Make sure you subscribe. And I'm also trying to get another person who's about to turn 17 as well, yeah, in a few weeks' time, to start their lessons as well, yeah. And I think it will be good to have two people side by side to see the difference. Yeah, obviously you won't be listening together. Yeah, obviously because everyone's different, and some people learn a lot quicker than others. Yeah, but that's no issue at all. Right, that's it then. So guys, like I said earlier, don't forget to subscribe, and we will see you in Josh's next video, which is going to be his first driving lesson. All right, see ya.
See ya.